Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about Pricefy. Now this is the best automated price monitoring and repricing platform that you can use to even compare your pricing with your competitors out there in the market. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get exclusive rewards and benefits and also extended free trial. So make sure to head over to that link and don't miss out on that one. Coming back to the video, you can see I've already added my platform in here and it is showing the listing. It is also showing different type of matches suggested, brands, cost, price, and all of these other analytics and statistical values. Now this is really important if you want to have a better understanding of your products and how they are performing detail wise. And if you simply head over to your competitor side from the left side of your screen, you will be able to see the competitor that you have already added. So once you are creating your account, it asks you to add a competitor and then it compares it with them. You can see we have a competitor that I already added and it is also comparing it with Amazon and Google Shop US. So it is going to be a really rad type of competition and comparison, so you can have a better idea since these are the best in the market and your site should be compared with the best so you can have the best results as an output. In the repricing section, you can simply make your repricing rules. Simply click on add repricing rule and enter your information in here, like for example your rule name, your repricing new prices of course, and all different information that you can go through by yourself which is going to be suitable for your business, and set it according to your needs. So similarly, the reports are going to be showing you different report related to your product, your shop, and how it is performing. And yeah, so that is it for this video guys. I hope this was informative. You can see how beautiful it represents all of the data. And so yeah guys, make sure to try out this platform Pricefy, and you can head over to the link in the description to get exclusive rewards and benefits and even extended free trial on Pricefy. That is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and see you in the next video.